Oh shoot. I was about to walk up to this building and the fire alarms are going off. Trying to catch voice evac, see if... That's rather convenient. Someone set off the fire alarm.
Walk to the nearest stairway.
Oh boy.
Attention. Attention. Attention.
Yes, sir. There it is. I think from there to just get a loop. But I'm gonna make sure I'm out of here too, because obviously fire department and stuff. That's crazy. Residents, I just saw like a bunch of people walk in. Like, they don't care. Like, they're coming from the parking garage and then they're just walking here. Like, nothing's, like, there's nothing. Like, you can hear and see the alarms going off. But they're like, nah. Like, don't get me wrong. Oh, there's a police officer there. And the police officer's gonna use the elevator during a fire alarm. I'm surprised those elevators are not recalled. I think they're supposed to be that way. Oh, here's that one. Can't pick up the strobe. Now, obviously, I don't live in this building again. I live nearby, and I can just hear the alarm, so that's why I come outside. But I'm pretty sure the fire department, they're like, ah, it always happens. We just need to investigate. So it's currently now 8:11. They have just silence, obviously. Yeah. So, yeah, outside here, there's also a speaker only. They have some, yeah. I will say, at least I caught the voice message. I've been wanting to do that for a while now. Every time I come here, it's... See, they left this open. Can't even see what's inside. I don't see. Okay, I do see something. Having to relocate because some guy decides to light up a cigarette. But I've counted at least, 65 people just going inside. No clear's been given. Oh, they just reset the alarms. No one's gonna walk all the way over here to give an unclear. It's like trying to use your judgment. Oh, I can't even see. There's a speaker. There's a speaker. They don't have the ceiling mounts though, which is. There's a store inside here that I usually go to, so that's why I'm walking in now. I'm just glad I got the voice message. Won't be long till these go off. I always say that when I was back in high school. I wouldn't be surprised if it goes off once I'm done recording. See you around.